Every modern car constantly transmits huge amounts of data through the CAN bus. Basically, most vehicle functions and driver actions can be traced through CAN messages. Steering angle, wheel speeds, basically every activity happening in the car. And this tool lets you inspect all of it in real time. And this is Cabana. Cabana is an incredibly useful tool used during Openpilot car porting. The whole workflow is built around quickly identifying signals and building DBC files directly from drive logs. At first glance, the interface looks chaotic. Thousands of CAN messages updating constantly, but once you understand how to navigate it, Cabana becomes incredibly powerful. Before you can analyze anything in Cabana, you first need to install Openpilot on your computer, which is really easy. Couple of comments and you're done. Please keep in mind to open Cabana using virtual environment venv. Cabana is located in Openpilot Tools Cabana. Next thing we want to do is to upload the route data. There are several ways to get it. One option is uploading and viewing routes through Stable. First of all, you'll need to have your Openpilot device connected and your drives uploaded to the Stable.konik AI. Once it's done, you'll need to connect Cabana to your Stable account. First of all, input this command from the description of this video. Then activate venv. Secondly, you need to copy your JWT token from your browser console, which is going to be there. Thirdly, input this command. That's how we authorized our Cabana app to use routes from the stable. So now we can get back to Cabana folder and run Cabana. There we can choose our device and the route. Every CAN message from the route is stored and can be replayed frame by frame. As the drive progresses, signals update based on what was happening to the car at that exact moment. You can also capture live CAN traffic directly using the Red Panda. You would need to connect your Red Panda to your harness by USB-C port. And to the computer by USB-A port. It's really important to use USB-A 2.0 and not newer version. Once everything is connected, you could open Cabana. You should see a Panda right here in the Panda menu. Tick venv option if your car supports it. And you're done. We see all the signals in real time. Another option is accessing CAN traffic directly from the Konik A1M or other Openpilot device. You would need to connect your computer and A1M to the same Wi-Fi network. Connect SSH to the A1M or other Openpilot device, input this command and keep the window open. Then, in the second window, input this command. You will see the CAN messages from A1M in your Cabana. Cabana is the primary tool used for porting vehicles to Openpilot. The process usually starts by capturing CAN traffic directly from the vehicle, either live through hardware like Red Panda or from recorded routes. Developers then analyze the CAN messages to identify signals related to steering, braking, throttle input, wheel speeds, buttons, blinkers, lane keeping assist systems, and many other vehicle functions needed for Openpilot to function properly. As signals are identified, developers begin building a DBC file, which defines how raw CAN messages should be decoded into readable values. When you upload a route from an unsupported car, there are no names, all signals are untitled. And basically, porting of a car is a process where you do something and look for the corresponding changes in the car signals. Once you found the signal that is connected to the action you need, you should name it, so you can link actions to events in the car signals. Basically, this is making of DBC file. Once all key actions are mapped in the DBC, engineers should build other files like car controller, which is a way of telling Openpilot to a car how to do something, and the car state, which is a car telling Openpilot what is happening, and other files. And all of them are based on the DBC.